Si Karen Davila ng ABS-CBN at si Ruth Cabal, Fresh na Fresh, TV5. So meron po kayong mga tanong. Kung meron po kayong tanong, meron po tayong microphone dito sa gitna or mag-raise na lang po kayo ng hand. Sige. Ayan. Okay, kung meron po kayong tanong, just go to the mic or raise your hand. Okay. Una-una, good morning, Karen and Ruth.
Hello.
Ayan.
Good morning. Hello, everybody.
Morning.
Okay. Ano yung experience ninyo when you were hosting the vlogs? Alam ko dami nating bloopers doon, Karen, nung nag-shoot. Cut tayo ng cut kasi...
I know.
Sige.
No, I wanted to say na unang-una, it's such an honor for me to be back. I graduated, actually, I'm batch 88 of UP Mascom. Anong batch ka ba?
Age reveal na ba ito?
90 ako, 90.
90. Well, I'm 53 years old, so I can't hide.
Ikaw,
Ikaw.
92 ako.
Oo, di ba? Dalawang taon lang pala yung mga agot natin.
So nung unang-una, nung nag-shoot po kami, it was a reunion. Alam niyo naman na nagkasama kami ni Cara sa GMA 7, sa Brigada 7. Hindi pa kayo pinapanganak noon. Kasi 1993 or 4 yun. Right? That's before I moved to ABS-CBN. So, kumbaga nagkwentuhan kami with Jay Taro. Just memories. We went down memory lane. I loved it.
Pero nakakatuwa kasi nung nag-shoot kami about data privacy,
Guilty
itong
na.
si Karen, sabi niya, ano ang password mo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Bigla, wait, bawal ba yun?
Actually, wag niyo ako husgahan
Ako rin.
Ako doon.
Isa ako doon.
Isa ako sa mga tamad mag-password na ganon. Oo.
So, kahit kayo may natutunan ka rin, pinalitan mo na
Sobra.
yung password mo.
Pero ang tanong ko, how do you know, where do you keep your passwords? Because you need different passwords for different things. Paano yun?
May mga app ata.
May
May
app.
app.
May password manager.
Di ba?
May password
Hindi
manager.
ko rin alam yun.
Ikaw, Ruth.
Nakakatuwa kasi when you called me to ask me to do this, very opportune time yun. Kasi nabiktima, na-scam ako. Ako ba yung na-scam or ako ba yung, ano bang tawag doon? There was an AI-generated fake video that was done of me na kinuha from my own newscast. So, nag-ano ng parang investment. You have to invest money from when I was still with CNN Philippines. So, they used one of my newscasts. Tapos, tinapalan nila ng video, ng voice. So, it's a fake, deep fake daw tawag doon, sabi ng mga AI experts. So, nagulat ako. Kaya sakto nung niyaya ako ni Cara to do this, very willing ako. And then I said na, I have my own experience about this. Nung una kasi, ewan ko malamang nagkaroon ka rin sa mga online games, pero halata mong very crude, parang fake. Halata mong fake na fake eh. But when I saw this version, dun lang talaga ako nagpanik kasi parang totoo. And when I first heard it, akala ko talaga boses ko. And then later on, talagang tinapa lang yung boses. So ganun nakalaki yung problema natin ngayon in terms of, kahit na high-tech yung technology, high-tech na din yung pang-scam eh. So, very thankful ako na I'm part of this project na makakatulong sa students, sa teachers, and even yung sinasabi mo nga, sana sa ordinary public, matuto rin sila